Hello friends, welcome back to my channel with a new video. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon and you will get all the notifications to the whenever the new video is uploaded in the YouTube. Okay, so today we are going to see how to read and transfer CSV or text file data to the Excel file. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so the very simple step we'll see. Okay, so we'll create one task, click on create new and then taskbar. So the task name will give uh, transfer data. Okay, so now, so I'll just go back to that folder. So here I have, in this folder I have created one text file. So this text file is holding the details of the employee data. Okay, the employee data like first name, last name, gender and age. So this is the text file. So using this text file, so we need to read data from this text file, and after that we need to write this data to the Excel, or so we are just transferring data from this text file to Excel file. Okay, so I'll close this one. So here I have created one empty Excel file. Okay, employee details from text file. Okay, so I'll open this file. So here you can see this file is totally empty. Okay, so what we need to do here is, so we need to read data from this Excel, text file, and then we need to transfer that data to this Excel. So how to do that? So we'll check that. So first we'll take this file path. Okay, and go back to automation anywhere. So here, so you just type CSV. So you can see that open, read, and close commands are available in the automation anywhere. So just take this open command. Okay, so we need to read that CSV file, right? So I'll just give CSV as our session name for this file. Desktop file I'll select. So here I'll paste that path. So I copied, right? So here it contains header. I'll select this because it is having headers. So then, so here you can see the delimiter we need to give comma, tab, reason. Suppose in that text file, so we are having spaces, not comma. So for that we can use this tab. Okay, space is tabs, we can use it. And after that we need to, after opening you need to read that. Okay, the session name we need to use CSV, and we need to create one variable. I will create this table from CSV variable, and after this, so you can use this one, the close command also you can use it. That session name you need to use CSV, and after this we need to open, right? So we need to transfer that data, whatever the data which is available in the text file. So those data we need to transferring to the Excel file. So for that we need to use the Excel command. Okay, so just type Excel in the action, and here you can see that open uh, action. Okay, so here we need to provide the file path. So desktop file path. So I'll just copy that file path from this. Okay, so just right click, hold on the shift key and right click, copy as path, and go back to automation anyway. So here we need to specify the file path of that Excel file. Okay, now that Excel file is not having any data inside that, so I'm not going to select any of these options, and that session name is default. That's okay. So because we are using that CSV session for this CSV, that text file. For Excel opening, we are using the default session. So after opening, so in this action, you can see that one more option. Okay, right from data table. Okay, so we have created that table variable. So that table we need to use inside this. So what I'll select, that variable is data table form CSV, and then specify the worksheet. Or else you can after opening the Excel file, you just activate that workbook and then use this option also, activate workbook. But I'll use this one, specify worksheet. That worksheet it is sheet 1. The name of that sheet is, okay, the name of that sheet is sheet 1. I'm giving that sheet 1, and then specify the first cell. So I'm giving that cell name is A1, and session name is default. And after that I'm going to save this, and okay, so only 5 steps we can able to read data from the text file and write to the Excel. I'm just running this one, so it will open the Excel and it will write the data to the Excel. Okay, you can see, right? So it has written all the data to this Excel file. Okay, see here, first name, last name, gender and age. So now what I will do, I will don't save this. So now I'll add one more command, close command I will add. Okay, so after writing data to the, after transferring data from text to Excel file, I'll just close this. Okay, now you can see that file again. So I'll just open this file. This is empty. Okay, so now I'll rerun the bot. Go back to automation anywhere and then run this one. So now how this data is transferring from TS text file to Excel, we'll see now. Okay, so bot run is completed and it also closed the file as well. So now we'll open this file. See all the data which are available in this file. So that's why we need to use the transfer the data from TXT file to Excel. Thank you for watching.